Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Professional Civil Engineers. I am Engineer Shamsur Rahman, and today I will start the series of test preparation for examination of Federal Public Service Commission, Punjab Public Service Commission, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Public Service Commission, and Sindh Public Service Commission. Also important for NTS, ETA, UTS, ATS. Actually, I will start the rapid fire of building material. Okay, these are the summary of many books which I have written in my notebook. So I will share these rapid fires with you, but if you prepare these points, okay, so this is 80% sure that you will take minimum 80% marks in test. So I will upload the videos day by day. You are requested to update yourself with these videos. Okay, so from now I will start from building material. Now, water absorption of first class brick should be less than 20% by weight. If you have MCQs and you have the question that first class bricks will absorb how much water, so your answer would be like this, that it should absorb water less than 20%. There are three types of bricks. One is first class, the other is second class, the third one is third class. Okay, in first class bricks, water absorption should be less than 20%. Okay, and in second class bricks, water absorption should not be more than 20%. In third class bricks, water absorption should not be more than 25%. Okay, now specific gravity of stone, it should be between 2.4 to 2.8. Specific gravity, what is the specific gravity? Specific gravity is the unit weight of any material divided by the unit weight of water. Okay, so specific gravity of good stone would be between 2.4 and 2.8. Well seasoned timber, okay, should have moisture between 10% to 12%. What is seasoning of timber? Actually, seasoning of timber is to remove the moisture from timber, from tree. Okay, and if you have moisture in the range of 10 to 12%, then it is called well seasoned timber. Okay, in other MCQs you should be asked that what linseed oil is. What it is? Vehicle, thinner, dryer, or adulterant. Okay, and then would be asked turpentine, naphtha, spirit. These are thinners. I will explain. Okay, I will explain what is vehicle, what is thinner, what is dryer, and what is adulterant. Okay, so litharge is dryer, barium sulfate, it is adulterant. Okay, now I will explain what is vehicle. Vehicle is an oily liquid in which base of pigment are soluble. Okay, it facilitates the paint to be conveniently spread over the surface by means of brush. Okay, now solvent. What is solvent or thinner? Okay, it increase the fluidity of paint to the desired consistency is to make them work more smoothly. Okay, actually vehicle are like solubles. Okay, these solves the base material base items of the paint, and thinners they just uh, make them give them fluidity. Okay, and what is dryer? Dryer, it is added to paint to quicken the drying of vehicle. Okay, uh, it will the reduce the time period of drying of the paint. And adulterant, these are the materials which when you mixed with the paint, so it will replace the base in part and thus reducing the cost of paint. Okay, now as I discussed before that what is seasoning, I will tell you again that seasoning is to remove the sap or moisture from the fresh fallen tree. Okay, and in natural period, and there are two types of seasoning. One is called natural seasoning and the other is called artificial seasoning. In natural seasoning, this when you put the timber in shade, and it and make this process by natural process, make this seasoning by natural process, then it is called natural seasoning, and it will take more than 6 months. But in artificial way, uh, there is also one is artificial seasoning. This you will make by machines. So in this you can get the seasoning in 4 to 5 days. Okay, now they can ask you what is the good quality, what good quality stone absorb water. Okay, how much they can ask you that good quality stone absorb how much water. So the answer is less than 5%. Okay, and if it has more than 5% but less than 10%, okay, still you can use this stone. But if this water absorb is more than 10%, then you should discard, okay, this stone. Okay, minimum compressive strength of first class bricks. As I told you before that there are three classes of bricks. One is first class, and then second class, and then third class. And now minimum compressive strength for first class brick, that is 100 kg per centimeter square. For second class brick it is 75 kg per centimeter square, and for third type of brick it is 35 kg per centimeter square. Okay, ferrous metals. What is ferrous metals? And these are the metals which contain iron. Okay, now thinners. There are types of paints. One is liquor paint, okay, which is also called spirit varnish, and the other one is cellulose paint, and the third one is oil paint. Okay, so in liquor paint thinner would be alcohol. Okay, and in cellulose paint thinner would be ethyl acetate, and in oil paint the thinner would be naphtha. Okay, now quartz. This is the type of rock, and this is also called siliceous rock. Okay, and biologically it is called metamorphic rock. Granite. Granite is type of igneous rocks, also the type of siliceous rocks. Maybe you know about the types of rocks. Okay, geologically there are three types of rocks. One is sedimentary rocks, the second is metamorphic rocks, and the third one is igneous rocks. Okay, and uh, and chemically also there are three types, two types of rocks. Okay, one is siliceous rocks, the other one is argillaceous rocks, and the third one is calcareous rocks. So quartz and granite, these are chemically called siliceous rocks. Okay, but geologically quartz is metamorphic rock and granite is igneous rock. Okay, Bessemer process. Steel is prepared by Bessemer process, and purest form of iron is pig iron. Okay, crudest form of iron was pig iron, but the purest form of iron is wrought iron. Okay, in interview, in paper, more question would be coming like this: that what is the crudest form of iron? What is the purest form of iron? Now these are also important. Okay, in carbon content in cast iron, it is in range of 1.5% to 5.5%, and carbon content in wrought iron should be up to 0.25%, and carbon content in mild carbon steel, that is 0.15 to 0.3, and in medium carbon steel it is 0.3 to 0.85%, 8%, 0.8%, and in high carbon steel it is 0.8% to 0.1%, and in other type there is higher tension steel. In this, the carbon content would be less than 0.15%. Okay, reinforcement is which type of steel? It is mild steel. Okay, pre-stressed concrete, which type of steel we are using in pre-stressed concrete? So it is high tension steel. Weight of steel, okay, unit weight of steel or density of steel is 7805 6 5 6. Okay, it is 50, sorry. Okay, so it is 7850 kg per meter cube. Okay, now this is plutonic rocks, hyperbasal rock, volcanic rocks. These three types are three are the types of igneous rock. Okay. Okay, the igneous rock uh, which has these molten magma at considerable depth. Okay, at higher depth, so this is called plutonic rocks, and if this rock is at shallow depth, then it would be called hyperbasal rock. But it is if it is at the earth surface, then it would called volcanic rocks. Okay, granite. Granite is the type of plutonic rocks. Dolerite is the type of hyperbasal rock, and basalt is the type of volcanic rocks. Now, what is blending? This is harmonious mixing of clay ingredients. Fineness test. By how many methods we can find the fineness test? So this we can find by two methods. One is sieve analysis and the other one is air permeability. Consistency test of cement. This we are conducting by Wickett apparatus. Density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube, and that is of concrete is 2500 kg per meter cube. Wrought iron. Okay, wrought iron. These are small sized water pipes. Marble is chemically it is called calcareous rock, and curing period for lime mortar it is 7 days. Also for OPC cement, or for concrete it is 7 days. But if there are some admixtures, then this curing period would be 10 days. Okay, siliceous rocks, which I told you before, granite, quartz and gneiss, these are the types of siliceous rocks. Okay, initial setting time of OPC, that is important. Okay, of OPC and rapid hardening cement should not be less than 30 minutes. Okay, for both initial setting time and final setting time for OPC and rapid hardening cement, it is same. Okay, and in the final settings time of OPC should not be more than 10 hours. So I think for today it's enough. In this this building material subject we would study in parts. Okay, in part 1, part 2, part 3 and so on. I hope that this today lecture would be more beneficial for you, and you have learned more terminologies, more technical things in less time. Okay, because for test preparation you haven't more time to go through many books and to go through many definitions. So here I am discussing you I am discussing these terms in short time, and like this you would remember for all the time. So for next videos, for next parts, stay tuned to our YouTube channel, and for now I will say bye. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.